how to change Instagram bio font. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the font of the text for your Instagram bio within your profile. So as you can see with my name up here, how we've changed the font there, I'm going to show you how to choose a different font for your actual bio text. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So the first thing I would recommend doing is simply navigating to your Instagram bio, then selecting Edit Profile and selecting your bio, and just go ahead and copy all the text. Once we've copied the text, open up a browser and navigate to texttrick.com and check the description. I'll have a direct link down there. Once you get there, select the 3 lines in the top right and select Instagram fonts, and then paste your bio text into the little type your Instagram text right here. So once we do that, scroll down and you'll see all the different fonts that are available. So they have tons of different fonts that are available. And if you like the way one looks, select Preview and it'll allow you to see what it will look like on an Instagram profile. Once you find the one that you want to use, and you can use multiple, you just copy sections of it, select copy, then go back to Instagram, make sure you go back to edit profile and select your bio, and then just delete the text that's currently there, and then paste your new text and select done. And then there you go, we now have changed our bio text font, where if I go back and refresh, you can see the new font right there. And that's how you change your Instagram bio font. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.